She's the control devil, remember?
Yeah, but Control Devil should be able to be killed too.
Yeah. What do you... Oh yeah, remember when you said you thought Denji's design, hybrid design should have been armor? Let's see, remember this?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. If you can't tell already, this is Pochita right here. This is his true devil form.
That's Pochita?
Yeah, that's Pochita.
That is Pochita?
Yeah, right there's Pochita.
What, the worm?
No, this is him.
Oh. The whole body and thing, everything?
Yeah. You notice how right here, this is where Pochita usually been at the end of the chapters. But since he's in control now, he's gone.
So is that Pochita? Or that's the Devil God?
That's the Hell Devil right there.
Hell Devil, yeah.
Yes. And then see, look, Denji.
I know, he kills him real fucking fast.
Yeah.
Because he's like, Hell Devil, it's up to you.
Denji activates
and then Denji's like, what?
Okay. Could you,
and then just with a flash, sends the Hell Devil in fucking pieces.
Yeah, he's just like right over there.
So pretty much he automatically goes to...
Like, you know how we had to do a call?
Wait, Pochita reached out and got him? But why did his guts come out and wrap around his throat?
Because part of him was escaping, I guess, or just looked cool. I think it's just because it looks cool.
It's almost like...
It's wrapping, it's like...
Okay, and then I'll have to go make y'all more.
And it starts choking you.
And I'll just fax it to the office like we did last time.
But it looks like a...
Scar.
Alright.
That's what I was gonna say. A cool
As
scar.
soon as you send me a picture, I'll go up there and do it real quick.
Yeah.
Alright.
Damn it. I'm sorry.
They didn't even
So now you know the reason why they're after Pochita's heart.
Something like that is my fault. It's on that bench, babe.
more out there for more.
Why they're so after Pochita's heart now. Their concept disappears.
Their concept, but he still, they become a part of him.
Yes. Because Makima wants to use Pochita. And remember the president was like the worst type. Remember? Because you remember.
Hold on, let me finish.
Alright, I'll let you finish, I guess.
Then we'll talk about it here in a second.
Alright, wait, no, wait.
I already run past all this.
This ain't the page.
I know, I'm past all this. I was just... in the hell.
Uh-huh.
Eats man. Man eats. Their names are erased from existence.
Yes.
Do you remember what the Nazis did to the Jews?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Here's a little thingy. These things, SOA, Enteral Syndrome, and this eruption, these aren't real. SOA, this, and that, these three don't exist. But the author made up these names and put them next to real things so that your mind would think they'd be real, but they're actually not. So it's like a little meta thing where it's like, they don't exist in real life.
Oh, wow. Will it really attack me?
I'm pretty sure I thought that did.
It doesn't.
This right. What the?
See, that's how it did it. That's how it does it, too. Because they put it next to real things so that you think that they actually exist.
Uh-oh.
This Chainsaw Man killer.
Because, remember, right here, it says it right here.
I asked Chainsaw Man to save me.
Yes.
I'm about to be killed.
Yes, but here, get your thumb out of the way for real quick. Right. Right. Here. Right here. Cry for help, and he will come. The devils targeted by Chainsaw Mans, and the devils who called for help are killed too. She called for Chainsaw Man's help, right? Remember? She said over here when... Right here. She said she called for Chainsaw Man's help. Save me, Chainsaw Man. And then Pochita came out, and then the devils targeted by... The devils that are called by Pochita, they die too.
A call for help will come. The devils targeted by Chainsaw and the devils who called for help are cut up and killed too. Because of what he does, he is marked and killed. Because what he does.
He's marked and killed.
He is marked and killed by many devils. But he revs his engine and arises again and again.
So yeah, because she called for help at the start, and so then that was the end of her contract. So she dies. And if you're wondering, that's Kobeni saying that.
That's Kobeni?
Yeah. Remember, she's saying "save me," and she's all the way over here because she's tired of work.
Oh, and that's why he shows up there and he's like, "This is your fucking fault, you stupid bitch."
Oh wait, you missed it. Hold on, you're skipping pages.
I didn't. I already went through there.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. I read the burger part. All this.
Where she's crying at the burger joint?
No, cause you.
Yeah.
No, you didn't. Cause no, you didn't. I had I mesmerized it. Cause I know. Cause I memorized it. You were like somewhere around here.
Is she crying at the burger joint?
Yeah.
No, I
Yes.
finished the burger joint part because that's when she brings out the wrong. Yeah.
I'm trying not to. I'm trying to like.
Crit. I was right here.
Yes, I'm trying not to make you like miss out on stuff, or spoil yourself on stuff. This is Pochita getting his contracts back.
So every time Pochita say, he's so fucking dead in the back.
He looks close in there. Say I'm Optimus back. You didn't miss a page.
SpongeBob tells him that he didn't know he had a sister. Sam arrives, wild and destroying everything she touches. Upon seeing SpongeBob touching Patrick, she sends him flying, and Patrick takes her to his house. But when Sam sees Patrick's small house, she starts enlarging it, and Squidward, furious, goes to complain about them messing up his house, calling Sam foolish, and though it seemed like he was going to send
These are all their little starters.
just crying, Patrick manages to calm her down, and they continue fixing their house with parts from Squidward's house, completely destroying it. Furious, Squidward seeks revenge and wants to destroy Patrick's house. Sam stops him like Hulk and incidentally destroys Bob's house.
Why does Katana look different?
Right here.
Oh, there he is.
That's a different swords guy.
Oh, I was looking at that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, there he is.
He looks like a bunny.
Kind of does on it. It does.
Yeah.
And so is that one, sort of.
They didn't even take the more like they told me they did. I was talking to her earlier on the phone.
See that there's their body right there's their bodies right there.
China man.
He's gonna do his little teleportation.
Oh shit. Oh fuck. Okay, this looks unwinnable. Or
This looks unwinnable.
yeah, she did say that.
Stop touching my undies. Dad, tell Mom to stop touching me.
She looks like a snail right there.
Mom, say this. Put your finger up and act like you're not touching me. Just let that finger right there. Not to
He's doing the same thing she did to Power.
And you mean to tell me she ain't the motherfucking gun devil? That's what's fucking retarded.
She's the control devil, so she controls over the devils to do that.
I'm not touching her.
Did he cut his heart?
Yeah, see, look, he rips out his own heart right here.
Is what's his name still alive?
Because you're probably gonna end up spoiling him, Darian, if you say anything.
I think he said it already.
Probably.
Is Power still in it?
Yeah, no, she's not.
Then yes, what I was talking about is
See, like, he threw his heart back onto Earth and is like... And then Spider-Man's it. He grabs him all. And that's where it ends on. See, like, that's where Pochita would be, but since Shinji's not neutral, that's where he is now.
Go give me the next